Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easytalk English, the channel where learning English is simple, clear, and fun. I'm Anna.
And I'm Max. We are so happy you're here with us today. We have an amazing topic. Seriously, one of the best.
Today's episode is all about airport English.
Yes, English you can use when traveling, checking in, going through security, and boarding the airplane.
This episode is perfect for beginners. Don't worry, we will speak slowly, clearly, and repeat important phrases.
And like always, we'll have a real conversation and role play, so you can hear English the way people use it at the airport.
Ready to fly, Max?
I was born ready. Good morning. Welcome to SkyStar Airlines. How can I help you today?
Hello, I have a flight to London.
Great. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Perfect. Please place your suitcase on the scale.
Sure.
Your bag weighs 23.5 kilograms. That's good. Under the limit.
Oh, good. I was worried it might be too heavy.
No problem at all. Do you have any hand luggage?
Yes, just this backpack.
Excellent. Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Window seat confirmed. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Okay, everyone, let's look at some very important airport phrases.
First, may I see your passport, please? This is a classic line. You will hear it many times.
Next, are you checking any bags? Checking bags equals giving your suitcase to the airline so it goes in the airplane cargo.
And window seat or aisle seat? Window next to the window. Aisle next to the walkway.
Perfect. Now let's move to security. Ooh, this part can be scary.
But don't worry, we'll make it easy.
Good morning, sir. Boarding pass and passport, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Please place your bag on the conveyor belt.
Okay.
And please remove your laptop and liquids.
Sure, here's my laptop, and I have a small bottle of water.
Sorry, you cannot take that water through security. You need to throw it away.
Oh, no problem.
Please step forward. Arms up, please.
Like this?
Yes, perfect. Okay, you're all set. You may collect your items.
Thank you.
Have a nice flight. Okay, everyone, that was our security scene. Let's explain the key phrases.
Place your bag on the conveyor belt. A conveyor belt is the moving belt that takes your bag into the scanner.
Remove your laptop and liquids. Very important rule. Laptop must go in a separate tray. Liquids must be small bottles, usually under 100 milliliters.
And my favorite, you're all set. It means everything is okay. You're ready to go. Good afternoon. Boarding for Flight 302 to London is now beginning. Passengers in Group 1 may board.
Hello, I'm in Group 3. Can I board now?
Not yet, but very soon. Please have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
Group 3 is now boarding.
Great, here's my boarding pass.
Thank you. Welcome aboard and enjoy your flight.
Thank you so much. That's a very real situation at the airport.
Yes, you need to know your group number to board the plane.
Also, useful phrases. Boarding is now beginning. Please, have a seat. Welcome aboard.
And please remember this. People always line up too early at the gate.
Yes, don't be that person. Wait for your group.
Exactly.
Okay, listeners. Now we'll go step by step through the airport journey. Step 1. Arrival at the airport.
Always arrive early, 2 to 3 hours before your flight.
Yes, airports can be busy and confusing. Step 2. Check-in. Useful phrases. I have a flight to. Here is my passport. I have one suitcase. Can I have a window seat? Step 3. Security check. Useful phrases. Do I need to remove my shoes? Is this allowed? Do I need to take out my laptop? Where do I go next? Step 4. Gate. Useful phrases. What time is boarding? Is the flight delayed? Which group is boarding now? Where is gate B12? Step 5. Arrival at destination. Useful phrases. Where is baggage claim? Where is taxi pickup? Where can I get a SIM card? Okay, everyone, let's do a mini airport quiz. Yay!
I love quizzes. Let's test our listeners. What do you say when the officer asks for your documents?
You say, "Here is my passport."
What do you put on the conveyor belt?
Your bag.
What is an aisle seat?
The seat next to the walkway. What do you ask if you don't know where to go?
Where is gate?
Wow, this was such a fun episode.
And so useful. Airport English is important for everyone.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please remember to subscribe to Easytalk English.
And give this episode a big thumbs up. It helps our channel grow so we can make more episodes for you.
And in the comments, tell us, where do you want to travel next?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Thank you for listening.
Stay safe, keep practicing, and see you in the next episode. Bye.